A recipe for mutton green masala curry, Mangalorean style. Marinate 1 kg mutton with 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder, juice of 1 lime, 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste, 2 tablespoons curd or yogurt, and salt to taste. Give it a good mix. Let it rest aside for 1 or 2 hours for it to marinate. To prepare the green masala curry paste in a mixer, add 100 grams of washed and cleaned coriander leaves without the stalk, 2-inch piece of ginger roughly chopped, 1 green chili, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, and juice of 1 lime. One tablespoon whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons corn flour. Give it a slight mix and add salt to taste. Add a little water just to aid the grinding process and grind this to a smooth paste. The paste should be of a slightly thicker consistency. Once done, remove it and keep it aside. Prepare the rest of the ingredients for the curry. Heat a thick bottom vessel and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee has melted, add 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 6 to 8 cloves and 1 star anise. Saute for a minute and add 2 medium finely sliced onions. Fry the onions till they turn brown. Once the onions turn brown, add 2 medium chopped tomatoes. Saute for about a minute and then add 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste. Continue to saute and add a little bit of water to prevent it from sticking to the vessel. Once the tomatoes turn completely soft, add the marinated mutton along with the marination juices. Mix the mutton well. Add around half a cup of water. You just need a little water so that the mutton cooks. We will adjust the consistency of the gravy at a later stage. Cover and cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. On cooking, the mutton will release water. Stir at intervals to ensure it doesn't stick to the bottom, and add a little warm water if required, only to prevent it from drying out. After the mutton has cooked for around 25 to 30 minutes, add 2 medium-sized potatoes cubed and mix well. Cover and cook it further for 10 to 15 minutes. At intervals, you can just stir to check that it cooks uniformly and doesn't stick to the bottom. We decided to make some sannas that pair excellently with this curry. Around 20 minutes after adding the potatoes, the mutton should be around 85 to 90% done. Add in the curry paste and Kashmiri chili powder 1 teaspoon. Give it a good mix. The curry will look really thick at this stage, and we will add water a little at a time to adjust and get it to the desired consistency. The consistency of the curry is adjusted only after the green curry paste has been added. Adding too much of water in the earlier stages will result in a curry that is too runny and undesirable. Once the curry is of the desired consistency, taste and adjust the salt. Give it a good mix. Cover it and let it simmer on a slow flame for 10 to 15 minutes. After around 15 minutes, check the mutton if it has completely cooked. Once the mutton is completely cooked, it will have a bite. It shouldn't be completely soft and falling apart. At the same time, it shouldn't be hard and chewy. It should just relent to the bite. Once the mutton has cooked, keep the curry on a high flame till it comes to a roaring boil and then switch the flame off. Cover it and let it settle for a minute or two. Delicious mutton curry is ready to be served. You can serve it immediately. Garnish it with golden fried onions or birista and serve with sannas or idlis or a light pulao. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button below. Try it out and share your feedback in the comment section below. Do subscribe to our channel for such interesting videos. Thank you.